Next in Python, we are going to create Fibonacci series. So in Fibonacci series, first number is 0, second number is 1, third number will be addition of first and second number, which will be 1. Fourth number will be addition of second and third number, which will be 2. And the fifth number will be addition of third and fourth number, which gives us 3. So here I am taking variable n, in which we are going to put range. N is of type int, input, enter a number. So here we are going to put our range. Now here we are taking two more variables a and b, and to a I am giving value 0 and to b I am giving value 1. Now we are starting for loop for I, which is another variable, in range, and our range is in variable n, put colon. Now we have to print value of a, which it is going to print as 0. After that, we have to do a comma b. Now we have to assign new value to a and b. And to a I am giving the value of b, and to b I am giving value a plus b. Here the calculation will be done from right hand side, that means from here, using old values. So save the program and run it. So it is asking us a number. So this number is going to be our range. Here we have given range as 10. Now it has printed our Fibonacci series. So how it is working? So in iteration 1, value of a is 0 and value of b is 1. So it is going to print value of a as 0. In iteration 2, value of a will be 1 and value of b will be 1. So it is going to print the value of a. So it will print value of a as 1. So first it has printed 0, second it has printed 1. In third iteration, value of a will be 1 and value of b will be a plus b. That is, initial value of a was 1 and b was 1, so it will become 2. So here we are printing the value of a will be 1. Now in fourth iteration, value of a will be 2 and value of b will be 3. So it is going to print value of a as 2. So this way it runs.